Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. My name is Mariko. Welcome back to learning the basics of Japanese language. In this episode, I will explain to you what gojuon is. The order we are learning the hiragana in, called gojuon, like the alphabet order in English, is the method used for organizing words in Japanese. Be sure of this gojuon order if you want to use a Japanese dictionary. In the last part, we learned the hiragana characters sa, shi, su, se, and so. If you still have problems with the last hiragana characters and you feel you're not ready to move on to this part, feel free to go back to the last part and review and practice the hiragana characters once more before moving on to this part. Ganbatte kudasai! Let's begin. The first character of this part is ta. Note that this is a small version of ko. This character is not difficult to remember if you make a small modification, like this, ta. Example, take, bamboo. Next character is chi. You probably have noticed this character looks similar to a previous character, sa. It looks like a mirrored image. The only difference is, you don't see the last stroke separated into two. It is understandable if you find it a little difficult to differentiate these two characters, so I will show you an example of how to make it easier for you. This is a word for happiness, sachi. This will make it very easy to remember. This can be seen as two faces looking at each other and sharing laughs. See? When you have to experience sa and chi in the future, use this example to help you notice the difference of which is which. Phew, that was a little difficult, wasn't it? Don't worry, the last three characters are easy, so don't lose your confidence. The next character is tsu. See? One stroke. This is something very fun. If you add an extra line, it would look like the number 2. See? 2. Tsu. Example. Kitsu. Tight. By the way, does tsu sound familiar to you? If it does, don't confuse it with su from the last lesson. Pay attention and listen to the difference. Tsu, su, tsu, su. Next character is te. Te means hand. This makes it easy to remember. If you look at the lines of your right hand, they are very similar. Example, tate, meaning height. And the last character of today is to. Example, toke, clock. Before concluding with this episode, I would like to point out, sometimes you'll find Japanese words in Roman letters for beginners. This way of writing is commonly known as romaji, and there's several ways of romanization systems, but you won't have to worry about any of this once you've learned the kana. In the next episode, we'll learn how to write the pets, such as cat and dog, in hiragana. Until next time, mata aimashou!